everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful pleated effect for your cakes. The first thing we need to do is cut 2 strips. If you're working with a 4-inch cake, one strip will be 4 inches and the other will be 3 times that, so 12 inches. If you're working with a 5-inch cake, you would have a 5-inch strip and then a 15-inch strip, and so on and so forth. So make sure you measure your cake before you cut your strips. And each strip will be 1 inch wide. Once I'm done cutting my strips, I'm going to use my ruler. Place your fondant on the ruler so that you can see the numbers. Next, take some water and wet down your fondant. Now it's time to get our large strip. I'm going to go every 1/2 inch. So I place it on at the inch mark and then pat it down at the 1/2 inch mark. And then I fold it over and place it on the next 1/2 inch mark. Fold it again, place it on the next 1/2 inch mark. And I continue to do this all the way down the strip. Once I've reached the bottom, I'm going to continue to fold my strip 2 more times. So I'm going to exceed the length of my 4-inch strip. Just add a little bit more water and then you're done. Using the ends of 2 paintbrushes, I'm going to stretch out the edges to make sure everything lines up properly. I'm also going to push everything back into place with my thumbs to make sure I don't exceed my 1-inch width. Using my knife, I'm going to trim off my excess fondant. And now you've got a finished pleat. Let each pleat sit for approximately 20 minutes before you apply them to the cake. These are a beautiful texture for any cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see how I made the brooches that I have on this cake, you can check the description box for the link to the tutorial on those. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Follow me on Facebook, on Instagram. Thanks again. See you next time.